What is up, guys? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Sorry for the bad lighting. I'm in my car right now. My house is currently occupied by a bunch of people, so I'm not able to be in there and talk to the camera for a little bit. But anyways, what this video is going to be about is why you're getting traffic but you're not making sales. And the main reason for this is you're not qualifying your potential customers. You're just targeting the wrong people. Most people, they find products, they create ads, and then they don't make money and they blame it on the product. But most of the time it's because they're not having a marketing strategy. They're not creating something that is actually going to be useful and drive sales to their stores, potential customers that will actually buy stuff. They're not actually qualifying people. They're just choosing people and getting traffic, but they're not getting sales because they're not qualifying people. And what do I mean by that? What do I mean by not qualifying people? You aren't targeting the right people. You aren't using your ads to generate these people to come to your store that are actually potential customers. You're creating this ad that is just generating attention. And attention isn't a bad thing, but you also want to have targeted attention because you don't want to be paying to have people go to your website and not buy something. You want to pay for ads to have people go to your website and buy something. That's the whole point of ads, to create conversions and create sales. So a way you can actually qualify your customers, how you can target them, is by actually making sure that your ad is related to a certain niche and not something very general and broad, like a text post or something that actually narrows in on your product, what your store is about. So the people that are actually going to it are people that actually would like that. They like that niche. They like what the store is about. So they're a potential customer. If you're just saying, hey, we're this store, we're offering this free product, just pay shipping, then you're just building attention. And you know, like I said, attention is not a bad thing. But what I like to do with my ads is, you know, I'm creating attention with this ad, but at the same time, I want to qualify my people. So what I do is, in the description, I don't have a call to action to go to the influencer's link in their bio or Facebook ad page bio. You know, I actually have a call to action to send these people that see my ad and are interested to click the link in the description, which takes them to my Instagram profile of my e-commerce store. By the way, I'm talking about Instagram, but what that does is it sends them to my Instagram page for that e-commerce company. And let's say I'm promoting this one product on the ad, but when they get to my Instagram page, it's going to show multiple products. It's going to show multiple things, which allows them to see if they want to go to my website or not. Because the main product that I advertise, they may not like it. They go to my Instagram page and they see all these other products and they may like one of them, and then they'll go to my website and they'll buy something. So a lot of people think it's not very important to actually create an Instagram account for your e-commerce store, your dropshipping store, but really it is very important in my opinion. I feel like that's what's helped me create a lot of conversions, is by qualifying people, by pushing them through this funnel sort of. So instead of sending them directly from my ad to my store, I send them through this little gateway where they have to go from the ad to my Instagram page where they can see all this other info about my store, and they go from there to my store. So that qualifies them. So if they see the ad, they like it, they go to my page, they don't like what it's all about, then they're gonna leave. But if they go to it and they actually see my page, they like it, then they're qualified. They're gonna like what it's all about, and they're actually gonna be going to my store. So you may be getting less traffic, but you're actually getting traffic that creates more conversions because the people are qualified. They know what your company is about, they know what you're selling, and they like what you're doing, so they're gonna go to your store and possibly buy something. And so what I like to do with my Instagram pages for my e-commerce companies is I don't just like to post pictures of my products. I like to create sort of like a theme page. So let's just say I have a store that's based on dancing clothes. So what I would do is I would create this page for my company, the Dancing Co, whatever it's called, and I would have that up there. I would have that set up, the bio, everything would look good, and then I would post a picture of a product. I would post like a dancing picture or a dancing video, and then a picture of a product on my store. So I'm varying up what I'm posting. I'm not just posting ads. So when I'm paying for these ads, I'm also gaining followers to my Instagram page and not just traffic to my store. So I'm getting a double win, because now if these people follow me on my store, on my Instagram page, then you're gonna have this audience retention where you have these people that have bought something or they haven't bought something, and you can target them later on. Because if they're following you, they didn't buy something right off the bat, then you're gonna be posting the dancing videos, the product pictures, and then you're gonna be able to go after them again and sort of retarget them in a way where you don't even know it, and neither do they. They follow because they like your dancing videos or they like what the company's about, but they just didn't want to buy anything yet. But then you keep posting, and then it'll just keep popping up in their mind, and it'll make them more likely to actually go to your store and buy something. So hopefully this helps you out with qualifying customers with your dropshipping stores. I know Instagram wise, influencer wise, this is the way to go. I sort of funnel my potential customers and my traffic from the ad to my Instagram page and then to the link in the bio of my Instagram page. So let me know if you guys want to have a video on how I set up my Instagram pages for my e-commerce stores, and we can maybe work that out. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out. So make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.